With a subscription to Microsoft 365 Business Standard, I can run my business seamlessly in the cloud. It's all about efficiency. I get both web-based and desktop versions of essential apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which means I can work from anywhere. Microsoft Teams and Outlook keep my communications professional and organized, while OneDrive and SharePoint provide secure cloud storage for all my files. Plus, I have access to a library of business apps that enhance my productivity. The added bonus? Exchange Online Protection safeguards my email from spam and malware, ensuring my organization stays secure. Each user license allows me to install Office apps on up to 5 devices, PCs, tablets, or mobiles, so I can stay productive on the go. With Microsoft 365, I have everything I need to grow my business and stay ahead of the game. With a subscription to Microsoft 365 Business Standard, I can run my business seamlessly in the cloud. It's all about efficiency.